Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Talk English, the podcast where we help you improve your English by listening and learning in a fun way. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hi, everyone. How are you today? We're super happy you're here with us.
Yes, today's episode is going to be great. We're going to talk about sports.
That's right. And not just about sports in general, but also how to talk about sports for your IELTS speaking test.
Exactly. So, if you're preparing for IELTS or you just want to sound more natural when you talk about sports, this episode is for you.
All right, let's start with part 1 of the IELTS speaking test. These are usually simple, personal questions. Emma, can I ask you a few?
Sure, go ahead.
Okay, first question. Do you like sports?
Good question. Yes, I do. I'm not a professional athlete or anything, but I enjoy playing badminton and watching tennis. It helps me relax and stay active.
Nice. So you said it helps me relax. That's a great phrase for IELTS. You can say, playing sports helps me relax, or it's a good way to relieve stress.
Right. Relieve stress means to reduce or remove stress. It's a good expression for daily life and the exam.
Perfect. Now, next question. What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is probably swimming. I love being in the water. It feels peaceful and it's a great full body workout.
Nice answer. And you said a full body workout. That means an exercise that uses all the muscles in your body, your arms, legs, core, everything.
Exactly. What about you, Ben? Do you play any sports?
Well, I try to. I enjoy basketball, but I'm not very tall, so I'm not great at it.
That's okay. It's not always about being good. It's about having fun.
True. And that's another nice IELTS idea. You can say, I'm not very good at it, but I enjoy it. That sounds natural and positive.
Now, let's move to part 2, the long answer, or cue card.
Yes. In this part, you need to talk for 1 to 2 minutes about a topic. Let's practice one together.
All right, here's a sample question. Describe a sport you enjoy watching or playing.
Good one. Okay, I'll try to answer like a student in the exam.
Go ahead.
All right. One sport I really enjoy watching is football, or soccer, as some people call it. I've been a fan since I was a child. My favorite team is Liverpool, and I love watching their matches with my friends. I like football because it's fast, exciting, and full of emotion. You never know what will happen. One moment your team is winning, and the next moment they lose. It's also a great way to connect with other people because almost everyone knows something about football.
That was great, Ben.
Thanks.
So let's look at some useful phrases from that answer. I've been a fan since I was a child. This shows the present perfect tense, good for IELTS grammar. It's fast, exciting, and full of emotion. Using adjectives adds color to your answer. A great way to connect with people. That's a nice expression about social connection.
Yes, and you can always add a small story to make it more personal. For example, you could say, I remember watching the World Cup with my family. We shouted, we laughed, we even cried a little when our team lost.
Yes, stories make your answer more natural. IELTS examiners love when you sound like a real person, not a robot.
Right. Now, let's move to part 3, the discussion part. These questions are more about ideas and opinions.
Right. Let's try one. Ben, why do you think sports are important?
I think sports are important because they teach teamwork and discipline. When you play in a team, You learn how to cooperate and communicate. Also, sports help people stay healthy, both physically and mentally.
That's a great answer. And you can add a little more like, in today's world, many people have stressful jobs, so playing sports helps them relax and find balance.
Yes, find balance. I like that phrase. It means to have a good mix of work, rest, and fun.
Exactly. Okay, next question. Do you think children should play sports at school?
Definitely. Sports help children develop confidence and social skills. For example, when I was in school, I was shy, but after joining the basketball team, I made friends and became more confident.
That's such a good example. It's personal and real. In IELTS, personal examples make your answer stronger.
Right. And if you don't have a real example, you can make one up. Just keep it simple and believable.
Good tip. Okay, time for our vocabulary corner. Let's review some useful words from today's topic.
All right. Word number 1, athlete. A person who plays sports, usually in a professional way.
Right. For example, Serena Williams is a famous athlete.
Word number 2, teamwork. Working well with other people. Example, teamwork is important in basketball.
Word number 3, competitive. Someone who always wants to win. Example, my brother is very competitive. He hates losing.
I know that feeling. Word number 4, practice. When you repeat something to get better. For example, if you want to improve, you have to practice every day.
And word number 5, coach. The person who trains players. Our coach gives us good advice.
Nice. Simple but powerful words for your IELTS answers.
Before we finish, let's share a short story. Ben, do you have a funny sports memory?
Oh, yes. Once, when I was in high school, I joined a football match. I was so nervous that I accidentally kicked the ball into our own goal.
Oh no, you scored for the other team.
Yes, everyone laughed, even my teacher. But it taught me to stay calm and focus.
That's a great message. Even mistakes can teach us something. And by the way, stay calm means don't panic, keep your mind peaceful.
All right, friends, that's all for today's episode.
We hope this conversation helped you understand how to talk about sports in your IELTS speaking tests.
Yes, try to use some of the expressions we shared today, like relieve stress, find balance, and I've been a fan since I was a child.
And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Absolutely. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends.
And join us next time for another fun English conversation.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye-bye.
Bye.